Last time we got to experiment with all kinds of materials we might want to use in order to make our bubble wand. Today we're actually going to design it and start to build the thing. So since we know what materials we kind of want to use and which materials make good bubbles, we're going to start with the design. So take a sheet of paper and draw on here kind of a schematic, engineers call these schematics, of how you're going to do this. What are the ideas that you have on here? For example, I might use a bunch of these materials. I found out that these pipe cleaners work really well for making some bubbles. So maybe I want to think about, maybe I want to put one of these in a circle, but also I found out that the string works really good. So maybe I can put some string across it and make like a spider web kind of thing for that. But I also need a handle to hold on. So maybe I'll take my hanger and I'm going to tape it here so that I have a handle and I can then dip it in and blow I don't know, whatever you want to do. You have materials at your house or at school that you're going to use to build your bubble wand. But before you start messing with materials, it's a great idea to make a schematic. That way you can kind of really think through it. So go ahead, draw your schematic, draw your model, your picture of what you want to draw. Be sure you include which materials you want to use and how you're going to fasten them together. Then we'll come back and see what we're supposed to do next. All right, now that you have your drawing of what you want to do, I want you to share that drawing with somebody near you. Share it with your parents or your teacher or one of your friends at school and see what they think. Show them what your ideas are and see if you can get ideas from them. Engineers never work alone. They always work in a group because many, many minds together give you lots more ideas. So I know it's your wand that you're trying to build, but you want to get some ideas from other people. See what they're doing. See what ideas they have. That'll make your model even better. Take some time to do this, and then we'll come back and see what to do next. Okay, so now you've got a really good model that has all kinds of ideas from other people that you've shared it with. You've redone it to kind of make it look exactly like what you want to build. It's time to build. So grab your stuff, start putting some things together, and see if you can't make that model a reality. Now, engineers call this a prototype. A prototype is kind of a mock-up of what it's probably going to look like at the end. So here, we're building our first prototype for our wand. Be sure that your wand has some kind of a handle. Be sure that it blows really cool bubbles. And be sure that it's unique to something that you came up with. Once you have it built, be sure that you test it out to see how it works. Next time, we'll talk about how we might be able to improve our model.